Let's try a 3D animation. Now, let's go for a live action video. And now let's mix them together. Wow, this AI is truly incredible. It creates stunning visuals with amazing speed and precision. As I'm recording this video today, each video takes only 5 to 7 minutes to produce, which is impressive compared to its competitors. Just look at these amazing examples. It's no surprise that this latest breakthrough is coming from China. This new Chinese AI doesn't just produce videos, it also creates music and text, and it can even describe and reinterpret your images. Chinese AI technology is advancing rapidly, and we're sure to see some extraordinary developments in the future. Let's dive in and test this AI with a few prompts. If you're interested in AI and content creation, be sure to check out our channel for more videos. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. When you search for Hailu AI on Google, you'll find a website entirely in Chinese. Click on it to enter the site. While the primary language is Chinese, we can use Google Translate to make things easier. On the homepage, you can ask the AI any questions, but we'll focus on its main features. You can use this section for music production. This one is for image description and interpretation. And the other one is for generating text that can be useful in various topics. But the real highlight for us is the video production feature. Here you can see various samples and check them out. Creating videos on this platform is incredibly fast and simple with remarkable quality. Let's start by testing a magic prompt. Wow, this is almost what I wanted. The trees, plants, people, and colors are all spot on and high quality. Now let's try one of the Minimax sample videos to see if it truly generated it. I think this zombie video looks promising. Since the original prompt was in Chinese, the language might change. Oh, it's even better now. The speed of video production with this AI is astonishing. While it's not too crowded yet, performance might slow down over time. Let's test another one to be absolutely sure. It handles these prompts impressively well, something that other AIs struggle with. Finally, let's try some 3D Pixar style animation. I'm truly impressed. You should definitely give it a try yourself and see just how amazing and fascinating this AI is. Until next time, stay creative.